found a key chair that I knew was me. I just knew it. And so as time went on, I just started talking to the designer, and before I knew it, everything started coming together. And I was very excited about it because my home started becoming more than just home. It was home sweet home.
I saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound.
I'm Shirley Bass, and actually I'm an art director and a creative designer. One thing I love to do is go out and hunt for items and bring home unique things and put things together, and I love color, so usually I always have a master plan before I start, but when I get home usually it changes. And then, you know, I will go out and look for things, bring it home, but usually it would change my whole house. If you bring one piece in, then all of a sudden you have to move everything around, and that got a little tiring over the years, and I decided that maybe I just wanted to find the right pieces for my house. So one day I was looking for something for my dining area, and I happened to walk into Lazy Boy, and I couldn't find what I was looking for. I didn't really know what I was looking for, but I sat down on a couch and I leaned back and I said, that's it. And so that was the first piece that I brought home, and I think that I had gone in there another time and I found a key chair that I knew was me. I just knew it. And so as time went on, I just started talking to the designer, and before I knew it, everything started coming together. And I was very excited about it because my home started becoming more than just home. It was home sweet home. I was always wondering, you know, what it would be like to have someone come in. I was kind of curious, you know, what would they offer? What other things would they suggest for this home? Because this is an older home, and, you know, I had some pieces that I needed to keep, and they never really worked, but I couldn't get rid of them. And so I thought, you know, I need to talk with someone at Lazy Boy. And so I had talked to Billie in the store, and, you know, I had, requested that maybe she come over and look around and give me some insight to what I should do.
I could pick up right away that she had a great sense of style, and she really knows what she's doing already. Then I came to her home and was blown away by how beautiful it already was. But she wanted some things that really fit for her family. She had some new grandchildren and really wanted it to be a space that they could play in and have a good time and not worry about spills and all that comes along with a family. Different rooms had different styles that we were going for, but the main thing in this room was comfort. Her bedroom was kind of her retreat.
Right, exactly. That was
your dream space. So we really worked hard on her bedroom, but, you know, each room took on its own life. Her bedroom is my favorite. It's fancy, but it's fun, it's artistic. It's really a great room.
I think Billie listened to me, and she knew my style. Like, I have some pieces in here that basically I already had picked, and I think she had a sense of what I liked.
Yeah.
So she listened. I think that's a good thing. Basically, I love coming home, and it really has just made it simpler to live because I don't have to come home and think about anything new or moving things around. I like every piece that I have. It feels beautiful, but it feels lived in. And people are comfortable in our home, and they love coming here. And I guess I would just say, don't feel intimidated, and have an open mind. And don't be afraid to express what you want, but also be open to hearing their suggestions, because in the end, if you can just come together, you'll get the perfect home ever.